Welcome to LifeLink, the future of connection enhancement. In today's fast-paced world, where technology often seems to pull us apart, LifeLink is here to bring us closer than ever before. LifeLink isn't just an app, it's an ideology to modernize relationships using the power of technology and artificial intelligence. Imagine receiving personalized reminders, insightful suggestions, and timely notifications, all designed to enhance your personal, professional, and romantic connections. Think about it. Never forget a birthday, an anniversary, or a special occasion again. LifeLink keeps you on track, ensuring that you stay connected when it matters most. But that's not all. LifeLink offers a wide range of suggestions and recommendations to enhance your relationships and overall well-being. LifeLink can analyze your preferences and the preferences of your relationships to provide personalized suggestions. It can suggest trendy travel destinations that you both may enjoy, recommend shopping hotspots for a fun day out, or help you plan a relaxing beach day to unwind together. Based on your interests and the interests of your relationships, LifeLink can suggest engaging activities, such as going on scenic hikes and nature reserves, exploring local art galleries and exhibitions, or trying out popular fitness classes. LifeLink also sends reminders for important events, such as birthdays, anniversaries, or special occasions. It ensures that you stay connected and never miss an opportunity to strengthen your relationships. Furthermore, LifeLink keeps track of upcoming events in your area and recommends ones that align with your interests and the interests of your relationships. Ready to experience it for yourself? Visit LifeLink's website at www.lifelink-ai.com and you'll be on your way to experiencing the future of connection enhancement. Elevate your connections with LifeLink, your future of connection enhancement.